Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Explody FPS. Today we are tackling a frustrating issue that many of you might be facing, the black screen problem on your PC. Before we dive in, I want to highlight a few things. I know I can't provide all the demonstration solutions due to my limitations. I don't have a webcam, etc. But I promise that what I share will help you identify and fix the issue effectively. So let's get started. Reason number 1, BIOS display issue. First up, let's talk about a common scenario. Many people experience a black screen when they enter the BIOS. If you see zero display from your GPU at this stage, it could indicate a serious issue. If you are using a dedicated GPU, try removing it and using the built-in GPU instance. This will help you determine if the external GPU is functioning correctly. Remember, your external GPU requires additional power, which your power supply unit, the PSU, might not be providing anymore. It may have worked well before, but now it's time to test your GPU on a different setup to see if it's operational. Reason number 2, cable issue. Now let's move on to the second reason, cable issue. In my case, when I start my PC, everything seems fine, but my screen stays in power-saving mode until the Windows welcome screen appears. This often happens due to a faulty DisplayPort cable. Switching to an HDMI cable fixed the issue for me, so make sure to check your cable. And by the way, it's not only HDMI. If I go and buy a new DisplayPort, the display cable might be there will work as well. Reason number 3, graphic drivers update. Next, many people update their graphic drivers and encounter the black screen issue. Trust me, this is more common than you think. When you update your GPU drivers, it can change how your hardware communication with your system. Your motherboard uses BIOS firmware to read and write the hardware component. If the drivers are updated, you may also need to update your BIOS to ensure everything works smoothly together. Reason number 4, power supply problem. Lastly, if you notice different colors on your screen like yellow, pink, or blue, this could indicate power supply issue. If your screen frequently goes into power-saving mode, it's likely a sign of inadequate power. Consider upgrading your power supply to resolve this issue. I know my video is more about theory than demonstration, but trust me, these solutions can really help. I hope this video highlights every point you need to know to troubleshoot the black screen issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day. Bye-bye.